Number 1. Tsotsi's alleged accomplices granted bail. Pretoria, hugs and kisses were exchanged after the two businessmen accused of working with Vusi Khekhe Mathibela walked out of the Pretoria Magistrate's Court on R25000 bail each yesterday. Elias Shona and Steamer Managing were greeted by cheers from friends and family members after Magistrate Desiree Steigeling had granted them bail. They had been in police custody since March 8 following a police operation to take down people who allegedly worked with Mathibela to extort and intimidate Mamelodi business people of sums of money exceeding R600,000. Steigeling did not find reasons to believe the suspects would avoid trial should they be granted bail. She thought the court could not keep the accused in police custody on presumption of guilt, as argued by the legal teams.